So in cases where the vehicle has no power and the lock and unlock from the key doesn't work, you turn the key over and on the side you push the tab and it will release the key, the manual key to enter the vehicle. When you get to the driver's side door handle, on this half, you can go with any card and insert the card here on the side, and with your other hand, push on the side of the tab, and this cover will pop open. Keep pushing on the side, and then the cover comes out. And then your service key will go in, and then you will turn it up, and then on the bottom of the handle, you'll pull this out. Pull it open, and that's it.